that many of your favorite products come with the Made in Monstropolis label. Some of these include sludge odorant, smelly, harmful, and abrasive. Primordial oils in 7 unnatural flavors. Dr. Stink Bomb Shoe Stick Powder. And Plug-and-Brew Coffee. When you want something hot to chew, reach for a Plug-and-Brew. It's good to last hot. If you're planning a special evening for 2, here's what you should do. Treat yourself to an unforgettable dining experience at Harryhausen's. Famous for such delectable delicacies as swill and sour soup, terrible teriyaki, and goo tofu, Harryhausen's is the monster's choice for fine dining. If you're in the market for a new car, be sure to stop by Monster Motors and see the all-new Behemoth. All models offer triple torque transmission, energy-efficient air conditioning, and anti-lock nest brakes. So when you're ready to make your next car purchase, make sure it's Behemoth. Human children are toxic to monsters, but thanks to the watchful eye of the Child Detection Agency, there has never been a child security breach in Monstropolis. Can you imagine what would happen if a human child ever did enter our city? So let's give a big yay for the CDA. They keep Monstropolis human toxin free. The brave, the yellow, the CDA. Attention visitors, for your safety while motoring through Monstropolis, please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi. And be sure to supervise your little monsters. Thank you.
Atención visitantes, para su propia seguridad, durante el paseo por Monstropolis, mantengan las manos, brazos, pies, piernas y tentáculos dentro del taxi y vigilen a sus pequeños monstruos. Que disfruten de su viaje.
Can I go in the front row?
Please keep your hands, arms, feet, legs, tentacles, and tails inside the taxi, and be sure to supervise yourself. Thank you.
Alright guys, we're gonna double check the push-up please. Start going in, watch your step.
Right there, Schmoopsy Poo.
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control and made me dance like a chicken, my thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed her.
Oh, boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Oh, sweet monster in the sky, save me!
Look who was out skiing on my birthday! I finally heard about it!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in progress. I get it, Johnson. Spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. This is the girl we're looking for. Affirmative on the negative, number one.
Hey, nice! Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Told you.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My Banaki!
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night, boo.
Kitty!
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Spread out and lock it down. Careful and thorough observation of the perimeter. We quickly remedy the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. We responded to a 2319 progress report.
It never happened. What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there.